Hello everyone. So in the last lecture we had started the wall topic. So let's continue that only. So I will just first select the wall. I will click on this drop down and from here I will select the wall architect and now you can see modification tools are now open. So we have seen this height and depth, this unconnected one and the unconnected height basically, right? So now we will see, now in this lecture we will see about this chain and the joint status. So I have just selected the wall and you can see the joint status currently is allow. So let me first show you with by just selecting disallow. So you can see I'm drawing the wall here and I will just draw a rectangle. So you can see I have just drawn a rectangle and now you can see the joints basically the here is a gap between the walls are not properly joined. Basically the walls are not properly trimmed, right? If I just join it status allow, then what it will happen? So let me show you from here. See, you can see the walls are now automatically trimming the rest things and joining it in a seamless manner, right? So in this way, you can just use the joint status, right? So now let me just delete this one. Now we will see about the chain, this one. So currently you can see the this one is tick. The chain option is currently tick. So now let me deselect this one. Now if I just draw the wall, see, I just draw the wall. Now it is not continuing from the same point from where I just leave, right? Now see, now I can just draw the wall from anywhere. See, because this chain option is now unticked. So if I just tick this one, now if I just draw the wall, so you can see it is starting from the same point only, right? So in this way you can just use chain and this joint status option tools basically.